Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. First of all, look how cute she is. Alright, so I'm posting another video today. Part of me working on my mental health is I'm making myself do things. Get out, fake it till you make it type of stuff. And it's helping. I went to Laumeier Sculpture Park with a friend today, and we had so much fun. And we also went to Lone Elk Park today. Both of these parks are in St. Louis, Missouri. And it was great. So we saw some elks, we saw some bison, we saw some awesome sculptures, we took some pretty fun photos. And that's actually all this video is going to be. I am going to post the photos of us throughout the parks and what we were doing, and just kind of me just trying to enjoy life, trying to get happy. And it's working. The other dog got jealous. So I'm going to get working on that and pet these dogs.
It popped with the smoke. Oh! How cool.